In this video, I will share with you step-by-step instruction and information how to make green banana porridge. Green banana porridge is served mainly as breakfast in Jamaica. It's very easy to do. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. To make my green banana porridge, I will be using a couple fingers of green bananas. I will wash my bananas and peel them. So, as you can see, we are making 100% pure green banana porridge, no additive and nothing. So we're just using banana here, and this banana can be blend or grater. The grater is the old school way. Today we are not using the grater, we are using the blender. So as you can see, we have a grater in the display. We're not using the grater in this video. If you want to see the grated way, you can leave a comment and let me know. So we are concentrating on the blending way. So we peel up our banana, cut them in smaller pieces, put them in the blender, and we gotta blend them. After I blend my green bananas, I will add the blend liquid to my pot with water on the stove. So you can put your pot on the stove ahead of time to boil, and I drop about 3 cinnamon leaves in this water to give it a cinnamon banana flavor. So this is my pot with my boiling water, and I add cinnamon leaf. So you can put this pot on the fire ahead of time to boil. So by the time you finish, peel your bananas and blend it. It is time to add your blend liquid to the pot. It's that simple. This banana porridge is very easy to make, as you can see. So now we will add the blend liquid to our pot. The formula with this blend liquid to the pot is it required. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. So always remember, it requires some attention by stir and stir till it gets thickened. This is a must, so you cannot just throw it in the pot and leave it like that. It won't come out good. You have to stir it, and while you stir it, you can feel it getting thicker and thicker and thicker. However, if it becomes too thick, meaning you don't want the banana porridge that thick, what you can do is just add additional water to get it how thin you want it. So it's all depends on how you drink your porridge. If it is too thick, you can add water to get it on the right thickness or thinness, whatever you want it. It's that easy. Leave to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's that easy to do. So this is banana porridge almost complete. When finished boil, you will sweeten it. According to how you use sugar and milk, but this is how we will be sweetening this. I will be adding, this is not an egg, so I grate some non-egg in my porridge. So the porridge is come to a cook, so we are just flavoring it or sweetening it, whatever you call it. So that's not an egg. Then we will add some vanilla. Yeah, so we add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Then we will add condensed milk. So the milk and the sugar is optional. Some people don't drink milk, some people use sugar alone. Sweetness can to how you like it, but we are using some condensed milk and we use some sugar. If you use condensed milk only, nothing is wrong. If you use sugar only, nothing is wrong. But if you use sugar only, it will be more dark, because if you use like the dark sugar, it will be more dark. So if you use a combination of some sugar and some milk, that's why I go and see it done. Some sugar, some milk, have a nice flavor, and just enjoy your banana porridge. This porridge is complete, ready to drink, ready to serve. The milk, the tin, the milk was the hole in the milk was too small, so it take a longer time to pour it out. So it's kind of a waste of time. Then I would add like half a cup of sugar, just a little sugar. I think this is about half a cup here, or a quarter cup, half a cup I think. As I say, the sweetening is optional. Some people cannot use or drink things too sweet, so sweeten it as can to all you can. Now I will share my porridge in this bowl. You can share this porridge with family and friends. So this is my porridge, complete and ready to drink. Remember to like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. So here you have it, that's banana porridge. Just make your porridge, drink, share and enjoy. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video. Peace.